Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're posing the question, what do you do if you get arrested in Thailand? I thought of making this video after reading a recent article from the Pattaya Mail, that's pattayamail.com. Article is titled, Pattaya City Expats Club Staying Safe Legally in Thailand in 2023. In this article, they quote a Mr. Barry Kenyon, who is down in Pattaya, as I've described him in other videos on this channel, a bit of a living legend, as far as I'm concerned at least, been around a long time, really knows a lot about how things work, especially in Thailand specifically, matters pertaining to immigration, and specific matters pertaining to Pattaya specifically. A lot of insight. He's kind of one of those people that's probably forgotten more of Thai immigration law than I know. You know, kind of one of those type of guys. But I thought of making this video after reading this excerpt, and I urge those who are watching this, go read the entire article in its entirety. Quoting directly, he also offered advice on how to act if you are arrested. The first being to remain calm. Yeah, real good advice. Quoting further, he mentioned that while being processed and before being placed in a cell, you will likely still be in possession of your mobile phone. Use it. Call your friends to let them know where you are and what is happening. He did mention that having a good attorney to call can be beneficial, but then defined a good attorney as one that doesn't turn their phone off when they go to bed. Well, look, I'm here to tell you all attorneys need time off, so it just is what it is. Yeah, I get it. Everybody wants to believe their attorney's on call 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Fact of the matter is, easier said than done. You know. Now, that said, we get calls from time to time in very off hours to deal with criminal proceedings. You know, late at night, look, you're probably not going to get processed out, quite frankly, depending on circumstances. Now, again, remaining calm, big deal, and informing people of what's happening, also a big deal, so that you can at least eventually get some kind of representation to go ahead and figure out what's going on in the case, figure out a way to get, for example, bail if it's going to be offered, especially in a criminal proceeding, and then go ahead and get basically things, your ducks in a row, essentially, to get responses filed with the courts and to start moving through, and if necessary, you know, defending your innocence, or, you know, if possible, depending on circumstances, dealing with a plea or something, whatever you end up going after, however you end up deciding to proceed, I should say. Now, again, I stress this again, as noted in that excerpt, be calm. Getting upset in light of an arrest in Thailand is just going to get you in way more problems than you're probably already in. Being calm and polite is going, you know, you gather a lot more flies with honey than vinegar, as they say. Well, at this point, you know, gathering flies may not be what you're trying to do, but keeping the experience the least amount of unpleasant as possible is the name of the game. That's what you're going to want to do. And as a result, calmness is a key factor in that. But again, informing friends, family, informing an attorney, these are going to be good things as well, so that somebody can get in there and interact with you and before the police or possibly the courts, so as to, if nothing else, get you released as soon as possible so that you can go ahead and mount your defense.